Ebusuafo, ichichi ubia ubia Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Sepe ziban papa, oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen, oh, orokodo. Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen, oh yeah, ziban papa. Ebusuafo, ye chichi ubia ubia Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Today is another day and hope you are doing very well. If today is your first time watching my videos, if you have a catch someone there, one subscribe, one like, and one share it. Na it's been pepe bi anyi wo to the Hilda's Kitchen na ma san so ma ye no wo bia what so mami no ya kono stove does it mami ama futum ye woni makeup simple wo me chance no oboje de papa. Don't skip through this video because it's going to be sharply at the same time malicious for the family. This is special vegetable lunch papa bi bisa for them when you meneze abrochirize enzimwa ebeza abeze emuyala rice, always rice, but I want to twist it a bit. I want to swag it a bit with Hilda's Kitchen products. So don't skip through the video because budget do rough. So as you are seeing it, yes, this is basically onion, fresh pepper, and oil. Now oil, more there. The oil I'm using now, I used it yesterday to fry my Ghana chips with some, as we all know, Ghana chips contains garlic and onion. So you can imagine the infuser oil. Sister, nanda smasan so abonanyo. Now let's share. You will find jawel. If someone can, leave their comments by explaining it to my non-Ghanaians on the platform, you will find a jawel. This beef can save your marriage. Yes. If you want some, just call 07 99099 7527. Beef no children. Ebusiafo beef na mezeye emunangwano. Oni mami. To be parking in £10 per. The number is on the screen. 0799099757. Baby, it would be with UK ham. Hilda's Kitchen. Baby, it would be with UK. To be share the video, like the video, and subscribe. Mushrooms to be soon a maniana. Maho very nicely. While I share here, beef in a share no. Now no good no soon or very beautifully. Yanam Zabash Samokona Hanama Sudano in the one pair Ubuja. So don't skip through the video. I share the onion and the beef and the pepper. No? They really infuse themselves. Charlie, broth what sound? Hey, no what's on that? And I was just sketching in chat. Papa be the way onion and what caramelize and very beautiful. Actually, maybe if you sister why I condo. The one I must then know. Let me just add my chestnut mushrooms. Papa be as no sister. Wow. Now, or record papa. Don't skip through the video. For about 1 minute because I don't want it to be, too soggy because obviously still I have some cooked prawns, frozen one. Charlie, let me add it. Sister, brother, you work hard. When you feel like eating something and the day is there, I said, you won't eat this every day. Let me add the prawns. Naming and beefization prawns. Charlie on yago na wale share some olisana. No for so budget do rough. Baby, wait do not. I'm not going to add any salt because of the beef. You get it. I want to start to add my rice. for your hot water. So obviously you know your rice, so you should know the amount of water you are going to need. I'm just trying to stir it. So the beef, the prawns, the mushrooms, they can all go into their positions. Don't skip through the video. Within 20 minutes, trust me, this rice is going to be ready. But you do kindly like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. No more data. Oh yes, ban papo. It's bunny by a guy. I'm out for at this time, just trying to cover the rice, and I'm going to minimize the heat. Very low for the rice itself to absorb the water calmly, more or less. We are steaming the rice. I hope you are enjoying watching. So if you are enjoying, why don't you share, like, and leave your nice comments, and subscribe if you haven't done yet. Follow my Hilda's Kitchen page, Facebook page, Hilda's Cooking. Let's cook together. After 20 minutes exactly, look at it, looking absolutely beautiful. Yeah, Mama, as you know, I don't like soft rice. You can see the beef, the prawns. Wow, the beef is to be at to be no, as in no close. Now condones, mommy. Thank you so much for watching this short video with me. I'm going to show you what to do 5 hours. That's some certainly. Easy. More Hilda's Kitchen. She told you. Here and one more with swag. Is there a cacao? Set us. A combination. Beautiful, amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can also, prepare some and enjoy. Mom, the way we you say busy ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yes, ban papa. Thank you. Phone there and when I'm going to be a man. Oh yeah, wow, super. Don't skip to the video here. The man prawns crap. Mama and beefy, mama ton buy some and wait. The man chestnuts, mushrooms, so crap. Say brofen. The Charlie be other than our queen more Hilda's Kitchen. She told her military name is good. Nama enjoy. So don't skip to the video. Let's cook together.